I think he looked like he was having a really good time making that video. Well, my name is Rochelle Rao. I'm going to be your host on this lovely afternoon. How's everyone doing? Some people are doing fine. How's everyone doing today? All right. Well, we're here to celebrate hashtag Love Scotch. So let's put a smile on our face and celebrate the drink that we love. Well, in case all of you were wondering why we picked today of all the days to celebrate the Love Scotch, the International Scotch Day, we did so because today is Alexander Walker's birthday. He is the son of John Walker. Yes, John. Of course, the most important part is that great company only enhances its flavor. When you taste Scotch whiskey, you're tasting something so much more than a drink. In a single sip, you are drenched with the glorious history of the craft, the generations of people that have helped to evolve it, and of course, the actual spirit of Scotland itself. Well, today I would like each and every one of you to put your hands together as we celebrate with Diageo the brands Johnnie Walker, Black Dog, Black and White, and VAT 69. So can we all put our hands together for all four brands, ladies and gentlemen? The Love Scotch initiative is about to get the world thinking, talking, and tasting the drink that everybody loves, everyone's favorite whiskey. And today, when we're talking about good company, I have two very wonderful people that I'd like to invite to join me. First, I'd like to invite the renowned actress and global icon, Freida Pinto, to come up. And I would also like to welcome Diageo's global whiskey master, Ian Gunn. Shall we take a seat? Well, I'll hand over to you, Mr. Gunn.
Thank you, and welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us this afternoon. Now, we're here to celebrate International Scotch Day, and I think it's only appropriate that part of the celebration of the world's favourite whisky, we meet some of the people back in Scotland behind creating Scotch.
Journey of whiskey and Scotch whiskey, it's the past, it's the present, and it's the future as well. Well, Freida, I'm sure a lot of people here would like to know just how you like to drink your Scotch.
Well, because first of all, Johnnie Walker Black Label is my dad's favorite. And when I say the word dad every time, everyone thinks, oh, it must be like a boring old man's drink. And no. My dad, who is going to be here later tonight, is one of the most fun, most spirited people I ever know. Like, he's got a great sense of humor. So it's not a boring drink. So I do like it the way my dad drinks it, which is on the rocks. I love it. Yeah. But on a rare occasion, a very happy occasion, I do love it as one of my favorite cocktails, which is an old-fashioned.
Really? Well, see, I've been told over and over again that you're not meant to drink Scotch as a cocktail. So I don't know. Are we going to let the beautiful lady pass with that one, or?
We most definitely are. There are so many myths and rumours about how Scotch should and shouldn't be enjoyed. And actually, most of them are simply not true. You can enjoy Scotch however makes you happy. I enjoy Johnnie Walker Black Label on the rocks, but I also love it in a tall glass with ginger ale and ice. There's no right or wrong. Whatever makes you happy is the right way to enjoy it.
Well, I'm waiting for my dad to meet your dad, because my dad was like, you drink Scotch on the rocks. Well, tell me something. I'm sure you like to drink with your dad. Is there anyone else in particular that you love to drink a nice Scotch with?
I do love drinking with my dad, but the person I enjoy drinking with more is my sister, because we get into these duels actually about whose Scotch is better. And she likes the most smoky flavors. She just naturally veers towards something that's more smoky, and I just prefer the sweeter, more mellow flavors. So we always have a little bit of a battle every time that I drink the better Scotch, and then she goes, no, I drink the better Scotch. So my sister is definitely a Scotch lover like her father, and so I think it's great. It's in the family.
And how about you?
Well, one of the going back to myths, one of the myths we constantly hear is that Scotch is a man's drink. And I think Frida and her sister proved that wrong.
I think we can count me in on that one too. I love myself a good glass of scotch. I think it's like, cricket. People think that only men love cricket. I think women enjoy it, and I think women enjoy a great drink and a good scotch.
In
right?
fact, when women drink, I have a friend in Los Angeles who loves her scotch, and every time she orders a scotch, all the boys look at her going, "Oh, you think you're cool?" I'm like, "No. Why do you have to have that reaction just because you drink scotch and women can't? That's rubbish. No, we're debunking that as well. That does not exist. Women love their scotch as well."
And then the next question is, so let's see how many of those you can have, right?
Let's keep it to drinking responsibly. We drive a lot in LA, so there's not a lot of drinking and driving that I permit even within my friends group. So no, I think drinking responsibly is very, very important as well.
And I think in India as well, that's something that we're starting to talk a lot about and discuss a lot about as well. Get a driver, drink responsibly. Honestly, I like to enjoy my drink at home. I think that's the most comfortable place. You have your friends and family who are closest to you there, and you don't have to drive anywhere afterwards.
Get an Uber. It's okay. Uber is getting very popular over here as well. So.
Well, speaking of home, both of you, of course, you're Indian. You've spent a lot of time here. If you had to pick an Indian dish that you would like to drink a nice Scotch whiskey with, which one would it be?
Well, for me, last time I was in India, as I mentioned, I love Johnny Walker Black Label. It's got a signature smokiness to it. And for me, that goes beautifully with some of the spicier foods, which obviously India is famous for. So that's one of the combinations I love. I actually had some Johnny Walker Black Label with a tandoori dish. So I had that lovely smokiness and intensity all the way through it. And it was absolutely beautiful.
That sounds absolutely delicious as well. How about you, Frida?
Well, I guess I'm going to be no different than in that case because I was going to go for the spicier dishes as well, like your kebabs and stuff like that. Somehow or the other, I think it's also staple in our homes where we do drink scotch. There's always like a kebab or a chicken tikka. So I guess I think I would go down the same route. And I actually don't enjoy having a lot of sweet flavors with scotch in general. So I guess it wouldn't work with Indian food as well to have something sweeter.
And I think it's a bit of a part of the Indian tradition as well. You see your dad and, all the uncles sit down with their food, with their nice scotch whiskey. I think that's one of my memories from my childhood as well. Well, Frida, have you ever thought of giving a scotch bottle as a gift? Have you ever received one?
Well, it's the only gift I know how to give without even batting an eyelid. So it's like the easiest, because I know what I'm buying. I know what someone else will like, because... well, I guess, whenever you're at duty-free, I don't know how many people have this experience, but every time I'm going through an airport, it's either my sister or my dad, can you buy me this and can you buy me that? So duty-frees are reserved for scotch.
I couldn't agree more. How about you guys? How many people have done that in the duty-free? Yes, we've got a whole bunch of hands up at the back. All right. Everybody knows what you're talking about today. Well, before we wrap this up, just if there's a message that both of you, would like to share with the millennials of today about Scotch whiskey, something that you would like to say?
Yeah, one of the things I would love to share is that Scotch is there to be enjoyed. We make wonderful Scotches at distilleries the length and breadth of Scotland, and we put care and attention into making them. So when you enjoy them, do enjoy them responsibly. We always talk about quality over quantity, and that's something that's always worth remembering.
And how about you, Frida?
Well, for me, I can't wait for all the millennials to understand how amazing and old-fashioned is. So maybe all the bars in India and Bombay, Delhi, all the metropolitan cities should now start making it this signature old-fashioned for everyone to try.
The
right?
Frida old-fashioned.
I mean, I would love to have my name attached to it, but I can't take credit for the scotch that was not made by me. So.
Right. Nam Sento. येणार कधी माहिती तुला दारूची बाटली लेफ्ट तुझा नाही रे बाबा लेफ्ट नाम घ्या सीधा बोला सीधा वन को सीधा दिस साइड हेलो नाम घ्या मैम सीधा मान लिया सीधा मान लिया मैम या सीधा मान लिया सेंटर सेंटर राइट प्लीज Right. Thank you. A little more. Yeah, here. Look at me.
One more.
Hello.
I'm sorry. This side.
Yeah. Frida, here.
You're all trying to come. You want to go?
Frida, this side.
I do.
Right. Center. Hello.
Thank you.
Frida,
Thank you
wait.
so much.
Ma'am here. Ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
About what's happening over here. It's International Scotch Day, as we know.
Right.
So, what do you want to say about being here? How's the feeling?
First of all, I'm very happy to be in Mumbai, to
Yeah.
be my hometown, to be celebrating International Scotch Day. We have just finished a part of the tour, which was I started off in Manila, and my fellow partner is in Scotland and Mexico City, Coco Rocha. So it's kind of nice that we get. ये तो मेरा पूरा चेहरा cover करेगा. ऐसे यहाँ पर. Because he's poor guy. He just covered my whole face. So yes, I'm super happy to be in Mumbai, my hometown. Especially for me, this is especially more important because my dad loves his scotch, and so a part of me was very excited that I could partner with them for #LoveScotch.
And how long will you be in India for, Ravi? Starting today?
Why? Do you want to know that?
Just one more question, please.
I'm leaving tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. So, will you tell us something about your upcoming projects? Because everyone is waiting for Frida to be a part of a Bollywood film, But as we all know, you'll be
Really?
doing Jungle Book also.
Yeah.
So, can you just tell us something about your upcoming projects or something?
No, I'm very excited for April. I have a TV series, a mini series actually, that is coming out on Showtime and Sky Atlantic. I'm not sure on what channel it'll be here in India, but I'm super excited about it because it's very topical. And we'll see when Bollywood happens. It'll happen, and you guys will be interviewing me back then, whenever it happens.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, please. Sir, please.